Good evening guys, today I'm going to show you how to play Cyber Siege and how does it work. So we need to buy computers for Mo and Curly. Next is we need to connect the network from the server to Curly's computer and Mo. Let's hire an IT guy whose name is Larry. Then let's go to the phase 2. Let's go to Curly's computer. Let's select beware of email attachment and no external software. Then let's go to training and let's select low training for the cost of $250 and let's select low training, then click it 2 times for 80% training. So there's a budget cutback, so we need a better security for the IT company, and we need to ensure individual accountability of users' actions. So let's go and play it. The janitor has noted that machines remain log on overnight, so it's not safe. Then go to zone and select cipher lock for better physical security. Then play the scenario again. Now, there are no remaining objectives. So, let's play it and wait for the successful protection. Congratulations, you helped Curly and Mo achieve their goals while protecting Boardsoft assets. So let's proceed to physical security. Let's just take a screenshot for the first scenario or the introduction. And let's start over again. There are 3 objectives in phase 1. The first one natin gawin is select secret, add, then i-delete yung public para hindi mabigyan na access yung ibang hindi naman kailangan sa secret team or sa secret zone na yun. Kasi nga kailangan nating i-limit. Then go to asset. Tapos tignan kung ano ang required na security na gagamitin or yung physical security para ma-accomplish yung objective. So sabi dito 320 or greater. So let's go sa zone at mag-check ng mga physical security na makakatulong para ma-limit yung access or ma-secure yung site na yun. I-select natin yung cipher lock. Tas yung patrolling guards muna pala. Si Joey ang kukunin natin. Then, i-hire natin siya. And then, nadadagdagan yung physical security ng nandun sa may screen. Nakalagay doon na 320 na yun. So, enough na yun. So, pupunta ulit tayo sa zone para maglagay ng physical security. Para kay Jerry, i-add muna natin ang top secret sa list. Tas, as usual, tatanggalin natin yung public para walang ibang makaka-access sa site na yun, kundi si Jerry lang. Bibili tayo ng guard at the door. Then, basahin ulit natin yung objectives para hindi tayo magkamali. Then, bibili lang ng cipher lock. Tapos, bibili tayo ng visual inspection. Then, 700 na yung physical security natin. Tapos, kailangan nating ilipat si Jerry sa green room. Yung green room, yun yung site ng top secret. Since top secret, kailangan na maganda yung zone na paglalagyan ni Jerry. Kukunin natin si Jerry, lilipat natin kasama yung computer or yung laptop niya kasi din siya nag-work. It's IT company. So, tignan natin. And congratulations, sabi niya. You have completed the Cyber Siege Physical Security Introduction Scenario. Separating the top secret asset from secret cleared users paid off. Joe was a mole trying to get his hands on the Intel data. Si Joe kasi nasa loob siya ng secret. Ngayon, kaya siya linimit. Kaya linimit si Jerry. Na sa top secret lang dapat siya at si Mo dun lang siya sa secret. Hindi dapat maka-access si Mo sa secret kasi siya yung mole. Yun yung pinoprotektahan natin na Intel data. Yun yung kinukuha ni Mo. Kaya pinotektahan natin yung site with the physical security na 700 plus. Kaya, nahuli natin si Joe.